addition of integers. So we will start with addition of integers with the same sign. So how to add? Add the value of integers, then copy the common sign. Example, positive 34 plus positive 47. So 34 is positive and 47 is positive. So you have to add 34 and 47, and that is 81. So, and you have to copy the common sign of two numbers, which is the positive. Now let's proceed to another example. Positive 236 plus positive 312. So if you have observed, they are both positive, so you have to add 236 plus 312, that is 548. So you have to copy the common sign, which is the positive. Now let's have another example. Positive 65 plus positive 24 plus positive 12. So they are both positive, so you have to add 65 plus 24 plus 12, and that is 101, and then copy the common sign of the number. So let's proceed. Positive 56 plus positive 76 plus positive 45. So they are both positive, so you have to add 56 plus 76 plus 45, and that is 177, and then you copy the common sign of the number. Now let's proceed to negative. So negative 32 plus negative 12. So they are both negative, so they have a common sign, negative. So you have to add 32 plus 12, and that is 44, and then copy a negative sign because that is the common sign of the two numbers. So let's proceed to the next example. Negative 134 plus negative 241. So they are both negative, so you have to add 134 plus 241, and that is 375, and you have to copy the common sign, which is negative. So let's proceed to another example. So 3 digits. Negative 13 plus negative 54 plus negative 67. So they are both negative. The three numbers are negative, so you have to add 13 and 54 and 67, that is 134, and you have to copy the common sign, which is negative. So another example, negative 23 plus negative 65 plus negative 14. So 3 digits or 3 given number. So negative 23 plus negative 65 plus negative 14. So you have to add 23 plus 65 plus 14, and that is 102. Then you have to copy the common sign, which is negative. Okay. So now let's proceed to addition of integers with different signs. So how to add? Find the difference and copy the sign of the greatest value. So let's have some Examples: positive 16 plus negative 5, different sign. You have to subtract 15 minus 5, that is 11. So copy the sign of the greatest value, which is 16, positive. So the answer is positive 11. So another example: negative 46 plus positive 67. So different sign. So you have to subtract 67 minus 46, that is 21. Then 67 is greater than 46. So copy the sign of 67, which is positive. Positive 209 plus negative 327. So unlike sign, you have to subtract 327 and 209, and that is 118. So 327 is greater than 209, so the sign of 327 is negative. That's why the answer is negative 118. Let's have another example: positive 23 plus negative 17 plus negative 21. So I have two solutions here. So I will subtract 23 plus 17 because they are unlike sign. So 23 minus 17, that is positive 6, and then copy plus negative 21. And then you have to proceed 6 plus negative 21. You have to subtract because unlike sign, 6 is positive and 21 is negative, and the answer is 15, negative 15, because the sign of 21 is negative. 21 is greater than 6. So another solution, you have to combine the like sign or same sign. So 17 and 21 is same sign, which is negative. You have to combine that one. So first, I copy first positive 23 and the operation, which is addition, then add negative 17 plus negative 21, that is negative 38. And then 23 is positive, 38 is negative. You have to subtract because different sign or unlike sign, you have to subtract, and the result is negative 15, because 38 minus 23 is 15. Then the sign of 38 is negative, so you have to copy the sign of negative, so the result is negative 15. Positive 43 plus negative 23 plus negative 65 plus positive 56. So I will solve first 43 plus negative 23, that is subtraction. So you have to deduct 23 from 43, and that is 20, and copy plus negative 65 plus negative 65 plus positive 56, just copy, and then the result is positive 20 plus negative 65 plus 56. So you have to subtract 20 from 65 because different sign. So that is 45. 65 minus 20, that is 45, and the sign of 65 is negative, and is negative, and copy plus 56, and then proceed So negative 45 plus positive 56, different sign, you have to subtract. So 56 minus 45, and that is 11. So the sign of 11 is positive because 56 is greater than 45. So you have to copy the sign of 56, which is positive. So another solution. So you have to combine the different sign. So positive 43 and positive 56. So positive 43 and positive 46, and that is positive 99. And you have to and copy the operation, which is addition, and you have to combine negative 23 plus negative 65, and that is negative 88, and you have to subtract 99 and 88 because different sign, 99 is positive and 88 is negative. So you have to subtract, and that is 11, and the sign of 11 is positive because 99 is greater than 88, and 99 is positive and 11 is positive.